The Bitcoin market has been flying to unprecedented heights over the last few weeks. The majority of these digital currencies have soared to new heights. Although it did not quite reach its all-time high during this bull run, Ripple XRP has stood out. If you've been following us since the beginning of the year, you'll agree with me that the crypto market has been a difficult environment for both Ripple and XRP. However, the most astonishing aspect of this case is the resilience demonstrated by all parties, despite the SEC lawsuit breathing down their necks. As a result, the only option for XRP to sustain its prominence has been through the continual sophistication of the protocols it has launched in order to attract new investors. And we can conclude that XRP has done an outstanding job thus far of re-establishing the dominance of a greatly underrepresented blockchain. With everything out of the way, let's continue with the intro and get into the meat of today's video. What's going on, fellas? We are pleased to welcome you to Crypto Aussie, your preferred cryptocurrency channel. And, of course, this would not be YouTube if I didn't encourage you to click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. To my XRP family, I'd want to extend a warm welcome back. Don't forget to leave a like and comment in the space below if you enjoyed this video. With that out of the way, shall we begin? To kick off today's video, here's a tweet from @RippleXRP that reads, "Boom! Bank Alphala and Lulu Exchange increased cross-border payment experiences to Pakistan using the Ripple Net platform. The #XRP initiative is a significant boost to Pakistan's payments corridor." If we follow up on that on gulfnews.com, we discover that Lulu Exchange, the biggest financial services provider in the UAE, has now engaged into a strategic agreement with Bank Alphala, a leading bank in Pakistan, providing a significant boost to the Pakistan payments protocol. This cooperation was formed to facilitate and grow cross-border money transfers from the UAE to Pakistan via the Ripple Net network. Bank Alphala's payment integration with Ripple Net and its launch with Lulu International Exchange are the first of their kind for Pakistan, which is the world's 6th largest recipient of remittances, and will benefit the UAE's Pakistani diaspora, 15% of its population, by increasing the transparency and speed of cross-border transactions. According to Bank Alphala's expansion objectives, this fintech effort will act as a pilot for group deployment with Lulu Exchange's sister companies in Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, Qatar, Singapore, and Malaysia. We're pleased to join with Bank Alphala and long-standing customer Lulu International Exchange to offer faster, cheaper, and more efficient cross-border payments to Pakistan, said Brooks Entwistle, Managing Director of Ripple Net in APAC and MENA. As one of the world's major remittance markets, our collaboration is crucial for increasing financial access and inclusion in the region. We look forward to expanding our relationship with Bank Alphala and entering new markets in the coming year. Following that, we get this amazing tweet from @XRCryptoWolf. XRP Ledger Labs successfully registered with the Dutch Central Bank, allowing Zim-Wallet to commence XRP/fiat trading. Following up on that on you today, we can see that the XRPL Labs team will turn a new page in the saga of cryptocurrency services attempting to assure regulatory compliance with their wallet Zim. According to an official statement provided by the team at XRP Ledger Labs, a development studio focused on XRPL and XRP token solutions, its legal entity, the integrators, has been successfully registered with the Dutch Central Bank. As a result, the Central Dutch Financial Regulator certified that XRPL Labs operation complies fully with all applicable legislation governing crypto to fiat trade. Zim is one of the first non-custodial crypto services to be regulated. It intends to implement the XRP/fiat conversion after receiving approval from the DNB. Yitzi Wind, creator of XRPL Labs and a seasoned developer, emphasizes the significance of this announcement for both his product and the wider ecosystem of XRPL-centric instruments. This regulatory approval is another significant step forwards in the development of our product, the Zim app, and the Zim/XRPL ecosystem. With this registration, we will soon be able to offer fiat on-ramp and off-story capabilities to Zim, initially for our Dutch users, but eventually for all users. XRPL Labs remains committed to developing the Zim app in order to make the XRP Ledger's functionality available for everyday use. As we come to the conclusion of today's film, we have another tweet from @RippleXRP, this time stating, "XRP will melt faces." The Securities and Exchange Commission's investigation into Ripple is winding down. With the SEC investigating XRP's largest public holder, institutional investors have made no significant moves in the altcoin since December 2020. However, it's worth noting that the number of active XRP wallet addresses has more than doubled in the last 3 months. Retail traders are embracing XRP despite its recent delisting from multiple spot exchanges. This bodes well for XRP's long-term price. The market opinion at the moment is that Ripple is on an upward trajectory. The objective of XRP is to act as a medium of exchange between two currencies or networks. Its transactions are significantly cheaper and faster than those of Bitcoin. The XRP bull run has begun, and it will astound many who questioned it. I'm aware that the majority of you are already impatient, but as the adage goes, good things take time. While the price of XRP has increased significantly in 2021, we have not yet achieved the 2017 highs. For example, many cryptocurrencies have set new all-time highs this year, including Ethereum, a record that XRP has not yet accomplished. Many believe that in the time remaining until the end of the year, we may actually see XRP reach an all-time high. Therefore, now is the moment to clutch that purse a little tighter while we wait for the timing to be just right. To begin, let's examine the XRP chart. XRP is not as obvious as the previous two, but if a correction occurs at the levels of BTC and ETH, XRP should follow behind. I would take another sell position at a retest of the smaller Fibonacci's 78.6% retracement around $1.29 to 30. Any closures over $1.30 to 1.41 almost probably mean a return to $1.70. Anything beyond $1.70 will almost certainly result in the ATH being retested at $3.30. On XRP, the daily timeframe is worth monitoring to see whether we retest the 78.6% retracement. Now let's take a look at the daily Bitcoin chart. Since the prior week's CPI report, Bitcoin has printed an outside bar, establishing a faked high or faked out pattern off of a forecasted resistance level where likelihood favored such a scenario. On the weekly chart, this price action likewise produced a bearish pin bar. What does this signify for the future week's prices? Keep an eye on the 62K level. If Bitcoin breaches it, it will validate the weekly bearish pin bar and broad failed high pattern. This is not a trend reversal or bear market, but it does indicate a fair chance that Bitcoin will revisit the 57K support level. The 57K support level, little blue box, represents a high chance area for a bullish reversal to occur. This is the stage at which a possible swing trade with an appealing reward/risk ratio can materialize. This requires confirmation of price movement and a determined risk profile prior to taking any action. That is an excellent circumstance that I have just outlined. The market is free to do anything it wants, and we must constantly be willing to consider all possible outcomes. This suggests that prices might remain above the 62K level and make a higher low, increasing the likelihood of a retest of the 67K level. As always, trade responsibly, gentlemen. Please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors licensed by the state of California. This channel's videos are solely for enjoyment purposes. Leave your thoughts in the comment space below and let's have a discussion. We appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Enable alerts to be notified whenever we publish new amazing stuff.